If you've been a Soul Beauty Club member for quite a while now, you know our products aren't just whatever's trending on your For You page. It's about rebuilding the foundation of your skin. In deep winter, the skin barrier becomes fragile. Moisture escapes faster, sensitivity rises, and skin stops feeling balanced no matter what you apply. So January's box focuses on these 4 steps. Cleanse gently, hydrate with layers, calm reactive skin, and support circulation in the evening. Each product in this box is chosen to work with your skin barrier, not against it, helping it hold moisture, recover faster, and feel balanced again. Remember that barrier rebuild isn't an overnight fix. It's a ritual that restores your skin's ability to care for itself. And this is how K-Beauty approaches winter skincare. Slow, intentional, and barrier first.